Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make two colored ribbon. We're going to start with a slip knot, and to make a slip knot, we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to slip the hook under the first one, then hook into the second one, and then we're going to hold the tip of the yarn and just pull on both sides, and that is a slip knot. Next, we're going to make chains, and we are going to make 45 chains. We're going to skip the first and the second chain, and we're going to start on the third chain. We're going to make half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. That is a half double crochet. Since we need 5 half double crochet, we're going to make 4 more. Next, we're going to make slip stitch for the next 3 chains. And for the slip stitches, you don't have to make it too tight. You have to make it a little bit loose so that it will be easier to make the stitches for the next round. Continue with 12 half double crochet. Then we're going to make slip stitch for the next 3 chains. Continue with another 12 half double crochet. Then we're going to make 3 slip stitch. Then finish it off with 5 half double crochet. And before finishing the last half double crochet, we're going to change into the second color. In this video, I'm going to use red. And we're going to secure the yarn first by making a double knot. After that, we're going to make a chain, turn, and we're going to work on the second round. Basically, we're just going to repeat the pattern. So to start the second round, we're going to make 5 half double crochet. Continue with 3 slip stitches next. Then we're going to make 12 half double crochet. Then continue with slip stitch for the next 3 chains. Then we're going to make another 12 half double crochet. Continue with slip stitch for the next 3 chains. Then make 5 half double crochet to finish the round. We are done with the second round and it's going to look like this so far. To continue to the next round, we're going to make a chain, turn, and we're going to repeat the same pattern as the second round. When you're about to finish the last stitch of the round, we're going to change back into the first color, which is white. And we can cut off the red yarn. We're going to make a chain, turn, and we're just going to repeat the pattern one more time. And when you're done, it's going to look like this. Now we are going to cut the yarn and we're going to weave in the end. For the next step, we are going to fold this into a ribbon shape. And the first thing that you have to do is you have to know which one is the front side and which one is the back side. For this one right here, as you can see, there are some white stitches in the middle of the ribbon, and that's what we call the back side. And the other way around, this is the front side. As you can see here, there are no white stitches in the middle of the ribbon. To be honest, if you can really differentiate them, then that is okay, because that part will be covered anyway. I just think if you know which one is the right side, then the finished product will be prettier and more proper. We're going to work with the front side facing us. Now the ribbon is divided by two sides. This is the right side, and the other one is the left side. We're going to work with the left side first. And we're going to fold it so that the slip stitches meet each other. Like so, and we're just going to push down the tail. And now we're going to work on the right side, and just like the one before, we are going to fold it so the slip stitches meet each other, and then just pull down the tail. Roughly it will look like this. Next we're going to grab the yarn, and I'm just going to use the red yarn, the same as the ribbon. And we're just going to wrap the yarn around the middle part of the ribbon. We're going to wrap it around 15 to 20 times while also fixing and also shaping the ribbon. Then we can cut the yarn and make a knot to secure the yarn. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!